How to install Bitdefender. Step 1. Go to your Bitdefender official website. Step 2. Click on Login to sign into your account. Step 3. On the dashboard, click on Install Bitdefender products. Step 4. Click on Install on another device. Step 5. Under this device, click on Download. Step 6. In the Bitdefender Security, click on Install. Step 7. In the Bitdefender is not installed page, click on Start Device Assessment. Step 8. Wait for the application to analyze your device. Step 9. Log into your account. Step 10. After logging in, you will be redirected to the Thank You page. Step 11. Click on the Finish button. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirussales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.